I did want to go over number 3 on your Canvas quiz with you just because we really didn't solve a log application problem. We did so many exponential functions applications, but let's do this one together. Just to solve one, you'll see what we're doing. The function s of d equals 300 times log d plus 55 relates s of d, the speed of the wind near the center of a tornado in miles per hour, to d, the distance that the tornado travels in miles. If the wind near the center of the tornado reached speeds of 400 meters per hour, so we're given a number here, guys. I don't like that color. If we're given a number here, that we need to identify, like what is this 400 miles per hour? And this is the tornado's, what's that? The wind near the center of the tornado, right? S of D, whoopsies. S of D is the speed of the wind near the center of the tornado. So what they just gave us is that S of D is equal to 400. What they want you to find is estimate the distance. In other words, they want you to find D. It can travel. So what we're going to do is, well, we have S of D equals 300 times log of D plus 55. What are we going to do? We're going to plug in this good number 400 into S of D and solve for D. 400 equals 300 times log D plus 55. Now this is just like a two-step equation, except it's not two-step equation, it's multi-step, but we can solve this. What's the first thing we're going to do? Subtract 55 from both sides. What are we doing? We're trying to isolate the log expression by itself, right? So if you do 400 minus 55, you will get 345, right? And that equals 300 times log of D. What's next then? Divide both sides by 300 to cancel out that multiplication of 300. I'm going to type in 345 divided by 300. Oh, look, it's a nice decimal. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. The left side turns into 1.15, and the right side with our, it's too big, with our 300 canceling out, I'm going to go ahead and just cancel this out. The left side is simply log of D, right? Now, what does it mean, log of D? What is that hidden base for a common log? The base is 10, right? Therefore, we can rewrite this in what form? Exponential form. Remember, when you're trying to solve an equation that has log expression, you're going to have to rewrite this in exponential form. Well, there are a couple cases where we could just set the arguments equal to each other, but here we're going to have to rewrite this in exponential form. What's the base? Base is 10, and we're raising 10 to the 1.15 power, and that's equal to D. All right, so what's D approximately? I'm going to go ahead and type in 10 raised to the 1.15, and that comes out to be approximately 14.12 miles. So when the wind near the center of the tornado reach speeds of 400 miles per hour, this tornado can travel 14 miles. Therefore, the answer is going to be 14 miles over here, okay? So just wanted to kind of do this together.